We don't use a paper file here at all anymore. We just use legal files. Everything goes into legal files electronically, the emails, documents. You know, if it's, I actually have a feature on my computer where I can just print to a PDF, and then I just take that PDF and drag and drop it right into legal files. So, I mean, it's easier and quicker than actually walking to the copier and making a copy and sticking it into a file. And it's, of course, recalling that information is, you know, only takes seconds versus, 30 minutes digging through files looking for it. So I just love how everything is all in one. Well, there really was no setup. It was kind of, everybody just did their own thing. There was no calendaring system. There was no to-do list. I think there was just a little bit of a lack of communication. I think we just kind of relied on emails to remind you to do things. And I think things just, files kind of got forgotten. You know, things didn't get closed or shipped off-site. There was no retention period on anything. So that's kind of what it was like. Well, I came into the position, and I knew how to use legal files, being over at Liberty Mutual, and that was one of my tasks that I was charged with, was get legal files up and running so that we can use it to, to help us run our files properly. So that's what I did. I set up a common naming system for all the files, showed everybody how to get their emails into legal files, showed everybody how to use the to-do features and the calendaring features, and it was kind of a slow process. We started with just a few features at a time. We'd say, okay, this is working well. Now maybe let's try setting up some letter templates. And then we were actually gradually able to take on more work from our business areas. Like we took on the collections and things like that, so we were able to help out, helped our business partners more. We had actually been looking at Legal Hold's tools, different companies, different products that they offered, and every time I'd sit and watch a demonstration, I thought legal files could do all this if we customized it properly. It really could do all of this. First off, we set up a custom window that will tell us if a legal hold has been placed, if the legal hold was acknowledged by the custodian. It'll tell us when the legal hold has been lifted. So these are all inputs. It'll name who the custodian is, who our business partners are that are responsible for ensuring that the legal hold is in place. I created templates for placing a legal hold, so we'll do a document generation, create the legal hold, and then from that it'll generate a wizard for follow-ups, a 3-month follow-up, and then also a 6-month follow-up, I believe. There's the wizards are one for ensuring that the legal hold was acknowledged by the custodian, the other one is a 3-month follow-up. So every 3 months we follow up on the legal hold. And then we'll send these legal hold memos out through email by using the Attach My Legal Files document, or the attachment button. So we'll send that out to our custodians, and then we have a to-do that'll remind us to follow up with them. They'll sign it and send it back. So when we get that back from them, we scan it and put that into legal files as well. And then at the end of the cycle of the legal hold, when we go to close the file, I have a to-do that, an automatic wizard. It's a file closing wizard that pops up and reminds us to release the legal hold. So that's how it works. My favorite features in legal files? I would say by far it's integration with Microsoft Outlook, or not Outlook, but Microsoft Office Suite. We use Microsoft Office, so every day and everything we do, in Excel and Word and Outlook, everything, and it integrates so nicely with legal files. So it's I love that I can look up emails easily in legal files and open them back up in Outlook and just respond to them right from there. So I would say those are my favorite features. I think I've just gotten so used to using legal files because I've been using it for years now that I honestly don't know what I would do. I think that would be really difficult. I wouldn't want to get up and come to work, that's for sure.